Let us study the block diagram of basic pulsed radar system. So, with the previous knowledge of having studied the basic block diagram of radar system, we did see that we had one transmitter, one receiver, one duplexer and one antenna. Yes, so transmitter was that device which used to transmit signals, and receiver was that one which used to collect the received signals and provide the output. So here if we saw, we had only one antenna which was acting as both transmitting antenna as well as the receiving antenna. Here duplexer was that device which was switching from transmit mode to receive mode of the antenna. Yes, so here if you see the pulse radar system block diagram, this part is the transmitter part, and say this is the receiving part, and this is that duplexer part and the antenna part. So let us study the detailed block diagram now. So coming to pulse radar system, so this radar operates with pulse signals for detecting the stationary objects. Yes, so it is called as pulsed radar system. So using pulse radar system, you will be able to detect the stationary objects. So pulse radar system will use single antenna for both transmitting as well as the receiving. So the first thing comes here is trigger source. So what is this trigger source doing means it will be providing the pulses. So those pulses will be given for modulator. So here modulator will be providing the rectangular voltage pulses. So the trigger source will be modulated. So this modulator will be providing the rectangular voltage pulses which is used for switching. So here the modulator will be sent to the output tube. Here output tube may be microwave devices like klystron or a traveling wave tube. So this output tube will be sending the waves. Yes, so here this modulator, as I said, when it provides the rectangular waveforms, it is also used to for the switching, like turning on and off of the signals. So this part is the transmitter part. Now we have ATR switch and TR switch. So that is the duplexer part. So here TR stands for transmit and receive switch. ATR stands for anti-transmit receive switch. So here, as the name itself indicates, it is going to switch the antenna from transmitter to receiver. Yes, so here ATR switch, which means anti-transmit receive switch, will decouple or will remove the connection of transmitter from antenna when it is not transmitting in order to save the energy. This is the duplexer part and this is the antenna part. Now coming to the receiver part, first thing is local oscillator. So what is this local oscillator doing is it is going to provide the stable oscillation. The output of the local oscillator is given to the mixer here. Yes, so another input for the mixer is the received signal. So received signal and local oscillator which produces the stable oscillations will be given to the mixer here. So here mixer can produce the sum or differences of the two signals. So the difference is the intermediate signal. So that signal will be given it to the IF amplifier which is going to amplify the signal. So here this block will improve the signal to noise ratio. Then that output will be given to detector. Here detector will demodulate the signal which is followed by video amplifier which is going to amplify the signal, then given to the indicator which will produce the output or it displays the output, I can tell. So here the antenna will be connected to the receiver